Hey friends, welcome back to my Midwest kitchen. My name is Christine and I have one of my favorite contraptions which is helping me get over my craving for delicious, yummy, sweet coffee creamer that you buy at the store, which is not very good for you. So I have a nut milk making machine. Say that 10 times, but I thought I'd show you how it works. It's quick, it's fast, and you know exactly what's going in that coffee creamer. So I just thought I'd bring you with, so come on with. Okay friends, here she is. I call it a she because she's lovely. So it comes with the pitcher, which I probably could use in the fridge, but I don't. I use my other tall, skinny container once it's all done. So it literally just sits on the front. And I did already fill this up with my Berkey water, and I am up to the line of delineation here of 20 ounces. And that just kind of slides on, kind of like a Keurig machine. You slip that on. This opens with this button here automatically, and then there's a blade inside. So it also comes with the cup, and then it's got the different measurements on it. So I am actually going to be making some cashew milk, one of my favorites, and I am just filling it up to the top part, which is 9/10. And I swear this is just so easy, and I'm so loving it. All right, so you just dump that in, nothing else. Put that to the side, and then to sweeten it up, I actually have some medjool dates, pitted dates, and I like to throw 2 of them in there. So 1, 2, close that up. And then I have some of my Redmond's real salt, and I'm just gonna get a little spoon. So just like a little mini spoonful of salt. And that's literally it. That is so easy, and I did so much research on this. All right, so I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna plug it in, and it starts to beep. And up on the top, I probably quite can't see it, but it asks you some details of what type of milk that you are making. So this one makes almond, macadamia nut, actually, I'm already on the cashew, which is flashing. Soy milk, oat milk, cashew, which is that. And then, oh gosh, I don't have my glasses on. And then one more, oh, coconut milk, okay? So it pops on, select mode, and I'm doing, oops, not almond, not soy, cashew, and then the volume. So I'm going up to 20. I only made a small amount last time. And then everything's in here, and the water is up to the 20 ounces, and I'm gonna hit start. And here it goes. So it's got 12-minute timer. You can kind of see that it's gonna be heating up. So as soon as those 12 minutes are up, I'll follow up with you guys. Okay, we are at about 7 minutes left. This is what it's looking like. Nothing in the container yet. Okay, there's about 3 minutes left, and the water's coming down. Nothing in yet, but will be shortly. You can see it kind of steaming, etc. Okay. Okay, here's the last little bit, and the timer's gonna go off. It's at 1 minute, if you can see that. And there she blows. That is my nut milk. There's the timer. Okay. And then it goes into self-cleaning mode. So I'll show you that at the end. But I'm gonna get this into my pitcher that I keep in my fridge. Okay, the machine is still cleaning. We still have 5 minutes left, and this does get hot on the top. It's got a steam port. So I am gonna put this in my pitcher that I designate to keep in my fridge. It's a glass, just a tall, skinny. It fits a little bit better than this one. And then now you can kind of see the consistency of it. It's foamy, it's delicious, salty, sweet. And this was 20 ounces. And there it is. Oh, that goodness. And I know exactly what is in it. It is metajewel dates, some Redmond sea salt, and some raw cashews. So I'm gonna put this here and we'll finish up the video once this is all cleaned up and ready to go. But there it is, ready to put in the fridge. It is hot, you know, obviously, but one of my favorite gadgets of all time, I have to tell you. Okay, there's just about 1 minute left on the cleaning cycle. And then it goes into this, which pulls out. There's just a little bit of water left. You can see that like this steamy, and then now you can kind of see the different delineations here of almond, macadamia nut, soy, oat, it's flashing cashew, that's what we just made, and then coconut. And then up on the top here, I don't have my glasses on, I'm struggling, but auto clean is right here. Oh, and you see, and then it turns off after a while. So this comes out, and then you rinse and clean that, and then you rinse and clean that, but the machine is all clean inside. Let it cool down, and then you put it away. Okay friends, how simple was that? 4 ingredients: water, the nut of your choice, which in this case is cashew, a little bit of sea salt, and then to sweeten it up, I use dates. So I know exactly what's in it, exactly what's going in my coffee in the morning. And I like the tall skinny pitcher because it does tend to settle on the bottom, but you just kind of give it a swirl and put it right in your coffee. So things are looking a little crazy here, right here. My stove is missing because I'm getting a new one tomorrow. My husband surprised me for Mother's Day, and we are going from electric to gas. So I'm so excited to get on that with my pressure canner, etc. And I'll be doing a few more videos for you with that. So thanks for stopping by my little channel. We are officially back in the Midwest, and so you are in my Midwest kitchen, and it's a hot, steamy day where we are. So hopefully you are having a wonderful day, and I will see you next time on Christine's Routines. Take care and God bless. Hey friends, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Christine. Midwest Kitchen. Eat coffee creamer. So I am, gosh, what am I gonna say? And something's itching my face. Oh, who's that? I thought I heard my husband sneaking around. On a whim, kind of. I did a lot of research, whether almond cow or etc. Gosh, this is going nowhere. Going nowhere. Okay, friends, 12 minutes later, and we have delicious, what is this?